So, I'm here with you today to teach you how to learn English in 6 steps really quickly. Number 1, listen to English as much as possible. So, there was this case study that showed that kids who moved to another country and they were grasping, they were looking for some ways how to improve their English or another language, they were listening all the time. They were listening to everyone. They were listening. They were not trying to say something straight away. If you want to learn language quickly, you need to listen. Listen to podcasts, listen to some videos, listen to films, music, and etc. And why adults cannot learn a language really quickly? Because adults are really eager to start saying something straight away without audio, without listening to something. The second tip, focus on vocabulary. Let's try to imagine that you've moved to another country or you have this dream job offer and it's waiting for you so you can start working like next month or something. Try to focus to learn vocabulary that you're really going to use. Learn some common words and phrases that are crucial in order to get the results done on your job or while you're moving, some things that might be useful. The words that you'll use in daily conversations. There are lots and lots of applications that you might use at that period of time. It's Memorize, my favorite. Then there is this Lingualeo or Duolingo, and there is this one application about verbs. So you practice verbs in present tense and then in past future tenses as well. So it's super cool. Check that out. You need to practice daily. I know this is obvious. This is super obvious, but to be honest, no one does that while they're eager to learn something new. It's very important to practice daily. There was this one video from a man on YouTube who was studying French, and he did study French for a month, I guess, or something like that, and he did that every single day. So the most important part that he became much better because he had some spare time, like he did that for 6 or 5 hours a day. If you don't have that time, it's okay. You can spend 20 minutes a day, but every day. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you become in English. So just try to do something every single day. Try to find something that you're really passionate about, that you really like. Maybe it's not watching films like everyone recommends. Watch some films with subtitles and etc. Maybe it's listening to podcasts, listening to some music. And I will definitely add the video of this man who recommends his strategy of learning a language every single day. So check that out below. Tip number 4, try to talk to people as much as possible. So you need to find a way how to practice your English on not on a daily basis with speaking activity, but it's better, right? Need to understand that you study a language quickly and maybe, I guess, it's for communications. There are tons of ways how you can achieve a speaking level of any language. As I've told, there is a video on my channel based on my strategies. I've studied 8 languages myself, so I use these strategies in my school. In my language school, we use games, questionnaires, films, we discuss videos, songs, and we do gossip for sure. Tip 5, set realistic goals. This is extremely crucial because most of the times you think, oh my God, I'm going to achieve this level in like 1 week really quickly, but it's impossible. You need to understand that. And after you don't achieve this, like a week passes or like a month passes by and you understand that, oh my God, I haven't achieved the level I wanted, you start kicking yourself. Don't do that. Don't kick yourself when you're down. You need to celebrate these small achievements that you have. And please be patient. You will get there. Just follow these simple steps in order to learn English quickly. And tip number 6 is really similar to tip number 4, but it's very important. Find a language partner. So yeah, the most efficient is finding someone who's really fluent in English and practice on almost daily basis, as I've said, with this person. Just try to practice regularly and you'll get to the best and quickest results ever. Trust me. And follow my YouTube channel for more because, as I've said, I run an online English school and I have a really great community of people who are eager to learn languages. I studied 8 languages myself and I can definitely speak 3 like on a pretty decent level. One is my mother tongue. And as for other languages, I'm really passionate about learning them. So that's why I decided to create this video. My name is Elmira and I've studied 8 languages, I guess. Yeah, I've studied 8 languages so far. My passion is, when I crack the language, when I understand it, when I understand how languages work. So I have this basic idea how to get to results quickly. What is result for me? Result is when you can speak. The speaking level of any language is extremely important, and I have the whole video about it below. I will add all the links there. So, to be honest, I just wanted to share with you my knowledge and, that you're not alone. I mean, I have almost 100 people who are studying at my school right now, 100 clients, and they're all eager to learn a language. And if you want to join our community of people who are trying to learn English and who are doing that, you can email me. There is my email address. And see you in the next video then. Thank you guys for watching and please click that like button. See you in the next one. Bye bye.